So can I leave?
Nope.
Because I have,
No, you can't. You're being detained right now.
Okay, well I have an Uber waiting for me outside.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
What does that mean?
That means you are not free to go anywhere. Because this isn't looking good right now, and if you go up to county jail as a Jane Doe, you're gonna stay up there a lot longer.
Okay, so what? So you guys take me to jail? Yes or no? I understand it.
Well, as of right now, that's a fraudulent driver's license. Alright, so we're getting somebody with a fingerprint scanner to come get.
I actually don't have nothing else to say.
You don't have nothing else to say?
Alright. Is the address on it correct? And what is that address?
It's the address upstairs, 277.
Okay.
Detention Road.
Okay. Why are they saying this isn't coming up? What's going on?
I have no idea.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
The 20th of 97 of this month.
Okay. Do you have any other driver's license in any other states?
No.
Alright, just give me a moment to try to figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
So can I leave?
Nope.
Because I have,
No, you can't. You're being detained right now.
Okay, well I have an Uber waiting for me outside.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
What does that mean?
That means you are not free to go anywhere. Okay? 35 clear 2. Do you live in Boca now?
No, I'm visiting. I'm visiting.
Have you been to Boca before? Okay, so if there's anything going on, you want to say it now before this comes out, or no? Okay.
Hey, how's it going, guys? So what's going on? Yeah.
So she came in with a plan to purchase a Rolex watch, and she tried to use a fake ID and the credit card name matching to fake ID. When I scanned the ID, came out different name and address in my system, so I figured she is trying to scam us. I think she's working with somebody. She texting to some. Maybe she had like a boss on top of her.
Did you give the IDs back
I
to?
gave it to police officer.
Okay, give it to them. Okay, so what was she? How much was she supposed to be purchasing this one?
12,300 total purchase of the Rolex watch.
So she came in for 12,300. What kind of Rolex was
It's
it?
a Rolex Submariner.
What was it?
A Rolex Submariner.
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 Okay. And then she presented you. What kind of ID was it?
It's a. Don't remember, but you're.
Okay, I'll take a look at it. You don't remember what state it was out of, anything like that? You said it looked like her, but when you ran it, the address was different?
Address and name was different. When I scanned it.
Okay.
At this moment, the situation begins to look like more than a simple identification error. According to the employee, the woman presented a driver's license and a credit card carrying the same name. On the surface, that might appear legitimate, but when the identification was scanned, the store's system reportedly displayed an entirely different name and address. That inconsistency is important because the planned purchase involved a Rolex Submariner valued at approximately $12,300. High-value transactions often require additional identity verification precisely because stolen financial information can be paired with counterfeit identification. Still, a suspicious scan alone does not prove that the woman knowingly committed fraud. Systems can contain outdated or incorrect information, and officers must determine whether the document is actually counterfeit, altered, or simply failing to verify. What matters now is whether the physical ID, the payment card, and the woman's true identity can all be connected through independent evidence.
Code on the back.
Okay. All right, let me go take a look at it. Yep.
So, for example, what is in our system, Kimberly Harrison, and the ID itself, Miranda Emily, which matching the card.
Okay.
And completely different address.
Okay.
And the ID is look weird.
Okay, let me take a look at it. Was this the watch that she was supposed to be buying here?
This one.
That one? Okay. Ma'am, can you stay off your phone, please?
Okay, well I'm letting somebody know the situation.
What's that?
I'm letting somebody know the situation.
What's the situation, though?
The situation.
What's that?
Cops.
Cops what?
I don't know.
I told her she's detained right now. The deal's not coming back as anything.
Okay. So, ma'am, stay off your phone, okay? All right? I need you to just have a seat over here, and I need to read something to you before we talk to you, okay? Okay, these are your rights. You speak English fully and understand it? Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions. You understand that? Okay, so what's going on?
Nothing. I'm here to buy a watch.
Okay. So you came in to buy the Rolex watch?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I mean, so what's the process? Like, are you guys gonna like?
So you're being detained right now
What
because
does that mean?
you're not free to leave.
So am I going to jail?
That's the process we're going through. That's why I'm asking you questions so I can figure out what's going on, because I can't just come into a situation and arrest you, right?
Right.
Okay. So, can I see those? Okay, so you came in and you presented these two things to them, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any documentation that has your right information on it?
No.
Okay. And who is this on the driver's license?
That's me.
This is you?
That's
Okay. And this is the only ID that you have? So you're telling me that your name is Emily Miranda?
I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
There's nobody that name or date of birth.
What's your date of birth?
It's on the ID.
Okay. So you understand how this is becoming kind of suspicious at this point because you don't even know which ID.
This exchange creates one of the strongest warning signs in the investigation. The woman has already been advised of her right to remain silent, so she is legally entitled to stop answering questions. Exercising that right should never, by itself, be treated as evidence of guilt. But there is an important distinction between remaining silent and voluntarily giving information that appears inconsistent. She identifies herself as Emily Miranda, yet when asked for her date of birth, she directs the officer back to the license rather than clearly stating it. For investigators, the issue is not simply that she refuses to cooperate. It is that the information she does provide may not match the document she claims belongs to her. At the same time, viewers should avoid assuming that nervousness or confusion automatically proves criminal intent. People under police questioning can panic, misunderstand questions, or give incomplete answers. The case will ultimately depend on objective evidence, fingerprint identification, official records, the authenticity of the license, and whether she knowingly attempted to use another person's financial information.
Your date of birth is?
1997.
Okay. And what is your name and your address?
It's 277 Farm Road, Richfield, Connecticut.
Okay.
06-877.
with a available fingerprint scanner for Alpha 35.
All right, just hang out with her for a minute. I want to see what their system came back with, okay?
Nothing.
No, theirs.
Oh,
they
yeah,
scanned
yeah.
it. Did she give you this at any time to try to purchase anything?
Yes.
Okay, and when you ran it, what happened?
I didn't run the card. I realized that it's not when I did scan without this feature using a barcode on the ID. This-
And it came up with that name that you showed me, right?
Yeah, that's it. After this, I understood.
It'd be much easier if we knew exactly who you were. Because this isn't looking good right now, and if you go up to county jail as a Jane Doe, you're gonna stay up there a lot longer.
Okay. So what? So you guys take me to jail? Yes or no? I understand it.
Well, as of right now, that's a fraudulent driver's license. All right, so we're getting somebody with a fingerprint scanner to come get your real ID, unless you want to tell it to me. That would make it so much easier on all of us, and you'd be cooperative, which would be much better for you.
Okay. Well, can I send a text message?
Nope. Here, we'll go ahead and take that then.
Actually, no.
Well, you're being detained,
All right.
and we already asked you don't be on your phone.
I'm not on my phone.
You just said, can you send text messages? I said no.
Okay. And
All right,
did
so let's not pick up your phone.
Did you see some text message or didn't?
All right. Thank you. Can you just leave that up in case I just need it one more time?
Sure.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, fingerprint scanner.
All right. Are you, we'll just wait. All right, ma'am. So is that the story you're sticking with, that this is your real ID, this is your real name, this is your real date of birth?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
I actually don't have nothing else to say.
You don't have nothing else to say?
No.
Okay. All right, just hold that for a second. Stand up for me for a second. You're just being detained as of right now. I'm just going to put you in handcuffs, okay? All right, just have a seat for a second until the other officer gets here, okay? You good for a second, Chris Weiser, where I can look up that other ID that they have?
I am.
All right, I'll be right back.
I'll be right here. Is that the one she was trying to buy? All right, just set it aside though, so it doesn't. Just remember which one it is, just in case we need to know. Okay.
I don't know if they have on file.
We got one coming for us.
Someone's coming.
Motor 4.
Alright, we're just waiting for a few minutes, guys. Alright? You said you didn't want to provide any more information to me?
Nothing else to say to you.
You see him right there? Just some guy sitting next to my car in a red car.
Oh, okay. I didn't really look at every car, but it could be.
Can we go talk to him?
If you want.
I'd love to. Yeah, he's here to help you out.
Just grab the tag.
Yeah. Hey, are you Uber by any chance?
Yes.
Who are you waiting for?
Lina.
What's her name?
Tofik.
Long dark hair?
Oh, the girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lina.
Okay, what's the name you have for her?
Oh.
Here, write it down. Oh, Lena, do you have like her first and last name or her?
No, Uber
Take
just
a look at the 1017
If
and
you want
42
to
zone.
know the window.
Yeah, who is she? Yeah, give me all the info you have if you don't mind.
Lina.
Lena A. Where'd she come from? Where'd you pick her up at? Which one?
Week now? Yeah.
Oh, you're just picking her up.
Yeah.
Okay,
just
okay.
picking her up. Yeah. There's some problem?
Yeah, she's not going to be coming with you. She'll be coming with us.
Oh.
All right, so I don't know how you'd go about that fare. But do you have any other information on her phone number or anything?
Well, actually, Uber is just...
Okay, so when you text her, you don't get any of that, like phone or anything?
So I texted her that she told me that just told me something that's going to do this, you're right,
Okay,
Are you coming?
but it didn't have a phone number?
No.
Okay.
Phone number is just Uber, just...
Lena A. All right, get out of here. Go pick up some more fares. Make some more money.
Thanks so
All right, thank you. Talk to your Uber guy. Do you have your information? You want to verify it, or you want to play this game?
I just said I don't have nothing.
You never use it just because this name was
Okay,
there, right?
just because, I mean, that's her name.
Lena? That's the name on the number? Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, like I said, you already have I'm not going to ask you any more questions because you already said you wanted to exercise your rights, but I'm just saying you already have a fraudulent ID here, so it's already going to be an arrest.
Probably the credit card, too.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just not telling her this is the start of it.
Mm.
And then when the fingerprint scanner gets here and they fingerprint you, we'll figure out who you are and then we'll go from there, okay? Is that a legit Uber driver?
Yeah, he gave me the, like...
45.
What's up, man? Hey, so she presented this. They scanned it, came back to another name as well. It comes back to nothing for us, so just need to try to figure out who she is. Is it easier to do while she's sitting, or you want us to have her stand up? What's that? Sit down? She's in class, so stand up. Stand up for us. Up there. Oh, you can have a seat. You ever been arrested before? She doesn't want to talk.
I don't want to have personal questions.
I think that's a guess.
Usually is. Is it Lena? I got it. There was an Uber outside waiting for her. He said her name was Lena.
Yeah, I got it. She has first. Who do we got for the first name? Alina. What's her last name?
Lena A. I got it.
Sound about right? Does it come back with a photo ID? Arrested for battery by Lakeshore.
Still tattoo on her stomach.
You have like a DL number?
Pierce back, tattoo left hand. I don't know which way left is. No, that's right. No, that's left. Yeah.
Is your DL number? No, there isn't going to be a picture. At least now I can access. But do you have a DL? She has the scar's marked on too. So yeah, I got her social. Birthday. All that good stuff.
Did you really come up with that or no?
No, this is all from Falcon. So this is just the information sent to the FBI. All right, you can. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke us, stick us, or anything like that we need to know about?
No.
All right, you are under arrest. Stand up.
The fingerprint result marks the turning point from temporary detention to a formal arrest. Until this stage, officers were investigating an identity that could not be confirmed through the driver's license. The store's scan reportedly produced one name, the document displayed another, and the Uber driver knew the passenger only as Lena. Those separate pieces of information created suspicion, but none of them alone established her true identity. Fingerprint comparison gives police a more independent method of connecting a person to official records. Once officers believed they had identified her and confirmed that the license was not legitimately hers, they announced the arrest. Even then, an arrest is not the same as a conviction. Prosecutors would still need to establish the required elements of any charges, including whether the identification was fraudulent, whether the credit card was unauthorized, and whether she intended to obtain the watch through deception. The footage captures probable cause decisions made at the scene, while the final legal conclusions would have to be determined later through the court process.
Step over here. Yeah.
He's now on 32nd, northbound. Make sure you pull it out.
You ready? Other than piercing, anything else? No other piercings?
Do you want to get those piercings out in booking?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll look at that up there. Or back down there.
Probably has her ID in there now. On the back of her phone.
Probably the back of the phone.
Yeah, I'll grab this stuff since you're taking it out. All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let me unlock it. I'll unlock it.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I had to talk loud because the motorcycle. Alpha 37, white female 1015. All right, you want to meet me up there?
I'll meet you up there.